summer. It should be nice.
Everywhere's nice in summer. What I'm going to do, I'm going to buy like a selfie stick because we can make a video just walking around talking.
Yeah.
You know they have really good ones now.
Yeah.
And I've got like a 32 gig memory card in my phone, and it makes a good picture. So it's 32 gig of video.
Yeah.
You can make a lot of videos just on my phone. You can walk around, just talk. You know what I mean?
Talk like that.
Just talk about whatever we're talking about.
I know you mean.
Whatever we want to do. So easy. We'll make you famous before December next year.
Why December next year?
Because we will. Oh, look. I'm going to lose my pants out. Oh, no. I've lost weight in my bum.
Yeah, I'm happy for you.
I'm going to get such a hot girlfriend when I finish losing weight.
Okay, go then.
Is that the care home, Mum?
Oh yeah, yeah, lakeside.
Nice,
Yeah, lakeside care home.
That's a
I
new
told
building,
you. I told you it looked posh.
Yeah, that's a new building. They've just built that, you can tell.
How do you know?
Because you can tell it looks new. It's not,
Oh
it's not
yeah.
old stone wall.
I can't tell. I'm not English.
And you can still tell if something's old or new, Anne. It's not about being English. Somebody might bring a picnic, bring some food.
Yeah, I think.
I think someone set fire to that table.
No.
So. Look, they have. Look.
Oh, look at that. What's this
Squirrel.
called? Huh? Squirrel. Where are we going?
You're such a terrible actor. This is why you never got famous in Thailand. Your acting is terrible. Hey, where are we going? We're walking around this big lake. That's where we're going.
Where are we going?
Around this big lake.
What's this called?
This big lake.
What is called? Can you tell me? What is called?
Worthington Lakes.
Do you think it's so deep?
Yeah, there was a big sign saying very deep water.
How do you know?
There was a big no, I know because there was a big sign saying very deep water. No, the sign said so.
I don't believe.
It's true. The sign doesn't lie. Yeah, yeah, you can swim, but you'll probably die.
It's freezing cold. How many degrees today?
Probably about 3-4 degrees. My hands are freezing holding this camera phone.
You can grab some.
I can't, I've not got any. They're at home.
Get some.
You buy some. You're a working woman. You've got a job.
Can you give me
Stop making your husband pay for everything.
rate is very cheap.
Farangs are not rich. It's a lie.
Everybody thinks Falang rich.
Farang are not rich.
Falang rich.
Farang not peng. Is it peng?
What?
Peng.
Huh?
Does peng mean rich?
What does it mean?
Oh, I got the word wrong.
What does it mean? Peng.
Peng. I'm sure when we were on Gok Cham. Gok.
เกาะช้าง
Yeah.
ไหม
Because
ไม่บอกเกาะ
do you remember that weird Irish guy?
Don't say that.
The weird Irish guy. I'm sure he said something, and I said, "What does that word mean?" And you said rich. He said, "Are you not rich?" or something like that, but he said it in Thai.
It means John.
John.
Rich it means John.
John.
Yeah.
Farang, not John.
No. รวย
Luai.
Rich.
Farang, not Luai.
ฝรั่งไม่รวยทุกคน
Farang, mai Luai. Just kidding. Farang, Uai.
You choose
Farang, very, very Uai. Farang,
Thai a lot.
Farang, Ruai. Ching ching.
Yeah ให้คนตอบฝรั่งรวย not John John is mean poor people รวย is mean rich people I think not I think
Well, this does look quite deep.
How do you know? I can't tell it's quite deep. Huh? How do you know it's quite deep?
It looks deep. You can't see the bottom, can you?
No, I can't. Look at that rubbish. Oh, look at that mushroom.
If you eat those, you'll die. You will die if you eat those. Poisonous mushrooms. Definitely, without a doubt.
I don't understand.
100% poisonous.
Throw rabbit out. I don't understand.
Because they aren't respecting the countryside.